Hi. Today I am going to share uh, why the group discussion important in this present world. We all know the group discussion plays very important role in this present era because it helps people to share ideas, solve problems, and make a better decision. So first of all, I feel it encourages communication and teamwork among individuals from different backgrounds. Moreover, group discussions allow participants to learn new perspectives and broaden their understanding of various topics. In addition, they help develop a critical thinking and confidence in expressing the opinions. Furthermore, in workplaces and educational settings, effective group discussion lead to innovation and improved collaboration. Therefore, group discussion is essential skill that contributes to personal growth and success in today's interconnected world. Thank you.